At Phillips, we are committed to the well-being of our customers and staff. Due to the COVID-19 outbreak, we will be introducing some new measures, but rest assured we will continue to offer the high level of service you have come to expect from us. At the moment, we have to do things a little differently. So we're asking you to make a timed appointment with us in both our sales and our service departments. You can call us and arrange an appointment, or you can email us using the contact details on our website. You can even book a virtual appointment to have a video chat if you prefer not to come to the showroom. To help keep everyone safe, only visit us if you and your household are free from COVID-19 symptoms, and if you're not self-isolating due to government guidance. We have left plenty of space in the customer parking area to allow for social distancing. So when you arrive for your appointment, you can park in the wider spaces provided. We have a member of staff posted near the doors to make sure we don't have too many people inside. At the showroom entrance, please wait until someone ushers you in. If there's a queue, please make sure you leave a 2-metre space to the next person. You'll notice some differences in our showroom to help ensure the safety of our staff and customers. Hand sanitizer and disposable protective items are available throughout the showroom for you to use. You will find some of these things on a table as you enter the showroom. You will see lots of reminders around the building to help everyone remember to stay at a safe distance. When you first enter the showroom, speak to whoever is at the welcome desk and they will point you in the right direction. You will notice that there are fewer cars on display in the showroom. We have left plenty of space between the cars in the showroom so that people can safely look around the cars and not be too close to others. You will see arrows directing you around the showroom. Please follow these arrows as you move around. It's left for sales and the showroom, and right for servicing and repairs. The number of people allowed in our showroom at any one time is restricted, so please try to keep to your appointment. Also, please don't be offended by the measures we have put in place. They're for your safety and ours. We're committed to keeping the sales experience contactless wherever possible, and our team will explain each step of the way to you, including advice on how best to clean your part exchange vehicle before inspection and handover. Our team will give you all the information you need ahead of your appointment. And afterwards, we'll be online or at the end of the phone to help with any questions or queries you might have. Let's continue the journey together, safely.